better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, today's makeup gig is for my friend Taylor. She's getting married, but today's her bridal shower. So I am headed to Reading, Pennsylvania to do her makeup for her bridal shower. The drive is about 1 hour and 10 minutes, so come along with me and we're gonna have a good day.
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your right.
Hey guys, it's such a beautiful day out. Got all my stuff, getting my light, getting my chair, all my bags, and then we're gonna go in and set up. She's all ready for me. There's little dogs in here, so you know I love dogs. See you guys soon. Hi, this is my friend Taylor. Today is her bridal shower. What do you want to say, Taylor? How you feeling?
I'm really excited. I'm almost more excited at this point for LaVonne to do my makeup than for the party. I can't wait. And I'm excited to see what the after looks like.
All right, here we go.
Okay. I'm excited to see it. Oh, look at Jill and Ricky. Look at what? Oh, hi. Aw. I keep getting compliments on my makeup, by the way.
Thank you.
And my stepmom and my sister also want their makeup done in Philly in April.
Gotcha.